This Dalton Wade Real Estate Group property video is presented by Christina Bonacorso. Hurry to see this gorgeous 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom home, before it's too late. This home features high ceilings, beautiful landscaping, a wide open floor plan, and a 3-car garage which is perfect for extra storage. You will have plenty of room for your family as well as space and privacy for your guests. Pride of ownership is everywhere in this home. Inside you will find spacious closets with professional designer shelving. Master suite has 2 large walk-in closets for him and her. Master bathroom features a wonderful and rare super shower. When you are ready to relax outside, get ready for true Florida living as you enjoy the extended lanai with paved patio, and fully fenced yard teeming with fruit trees and exotic plants. You will have your own private slice of tropical paradise with a partial water view. Located in the desirable South Fork community, which encompasses a large pool, basketball court, and multiple parks for anyone seeking an active lifestyle. Also conveniently close to MacDill Airforce Base, downtown Tampa, I-75, and US 301. Brand new Sumner High School right around the corner, as well as grocery stores, restaurants, shopping centers, golf courses, a newly built YMCA, and excellent schools. This one won't last. For more information, review the details.